So boom, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. Today's weather is peaking. I think we're going to be working on Manh's S14, but before we do that I think we're going to go try and get a nice cold drink because like I said, the weather is peaking. So yeah, let's go meet up with the rest of them. But it's actually hella hot as today, but oh, check this out. Every time I turn the car on, what the hell, why does it do that? And then look, this one stays. So every day I gotta press this in, fold it all the way back in, and then fold it back out. I think it's loose, that's why it's doing that. But yeah, but bro, I've been in the car. Hey, that's hella JD, and what the hell? But anyways, yeah, I've been in the car for about 2 minutes. It's so hot, bro. Thank God this car has fucking A1 AC, man. Fuck, but first thing first, put the window down. But oof, bro, I'm already sweating, eh? Alright, so here it is, Manh's S14. I'm pretty sure we're working on this today. He's only running 4 studs at the moment. Yeah, it is what it is. What was the lesson?
If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Facts. This is meant to have, you know, 5 studs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but he currently only got 4 because he went for the lightweight mod. So all you gotta do is remove 1 stud, and obviously a stud weighs, so you know, it's more lighter now. But as you guys can see, there's nothing there. So today, yeah, he's gonna be installing some new studs. Is it extended?
Yeah.
They did it last time. It was a pretty quickie job, so hopefully this time will be more quickie.
It wasn't quickie, bro. They were like, piece of a job, mate.
Yeah, piece of a job.
2 nights.
3 AM next minute. Right here we have Manh's S14. He just recently got his exhaust done by FlowFab. So he supplied like a Varex Muffler, and here it is. Yeah, so FlowFab did that. Yeah, this is my first time actually hearing it, so I don't know how it is. So we're gonna go for a quick short drive, I think.
That's closed.
Yeah.
And that's open.
Oi.
It just gets deeper, basically.
Yeah. Whoa! Who misses that SR20 flutter? Oh, stop, G! What the hell? That was actually lit, bro. Hey, stop it, stop. I'm fucking dying, the car's like this and this. Damn. Well, you can't hear it.
Big difference?
Wait, actually, when we were outside and you closed it, it sounded the same. But yeah, inside, you can't hear it anymore.
Can't hear it.
Yeah. Oh, that's pretty sick.
So it's pretty quiet.
Yeah, so like if you want to flex the flutter only, you turn it off.
Yeah, on idle you can't tell, it just goes slightly deeper.
Yeah. But when you drive it, you can hear it. No, I'm drunk on ethanol. Oh shit!
Oh. It doesn't feel as fast either.
But yeah, I know what you mean.
It sounds cooler though.
Yeah.
But it feels so slow.
Yeah, I know what you mean, like...
It doesn't pull as hard.
Yeah, or is it all in our head because like, you know, it's not as loud, like the screamer isn't as ooze. Whoa! Seiji the tail got happy, huh? Damn, you also got happy too. Stop it. Oh shit, guys, headphone warning. Oh, if you guys like that, make sure to give this video a fat like, PHAT, cause ooh, very nice. So, hey, do you reckon it was worth it?
You know, open and close, can't go wrong.
I think that's the good thing about this feature. Like, you guys saw, you want it quiet, you switch it off. You want it loud, you open the valve. Fuck yeah. Oh, is that the supercharger?
This is where the Super 2 happens.
Oh, how much you want to sell for?
Mate's rates.
Mate's rate?
10,000 just for you.
Alright, done.
Oh,
Yeah, done. Cheers. Alright, guys. This is my new car. I've been waiting to tell you guys this. Stay tuned.
Never been thrashed, man.
Never been thrashed. Just driven hard. Stock as a rock. Good platform.
Doesn't sound right.
Oh, fuck. That's just our Nick knocking. New day today, we're in the middle of nowhere. Bro, Hayden parked his car in this like main road. Look at this, bro. It's a nice sunset, but this guy just yeeted the driveway up here and he parked his car here. What the hell? It's pretty lit. Probably get some cinematics if it's not too dark. But yeah, it's pretty lit. Yeah, we're just in this field right here. I don't even know how you got up here, but look at the sunset right there. That's actually 100 times way better. Alright, new day today, guys, and today we're going to be giving the Toyota Crown a little wash. As you guys can see, oof, check out the new number plates, but I don't know if you guys can see, it's hella dirty. If you come up close, right here, look at that, hella dirty, especially on the sides, and a bird took a shit on my roof. As usual, we're going to be using a super syrup apple juice right here. It's just a car wash. You guys probably already know how to do it. I'm going to do single bucket. I know I should be using 2 buckets, but it is what it is. I'm probably just going to time lapse it because like I said, it's just a car wash. But yeah, let's go. Alright guys, the car is now all clean. Since you guys stay to the end of this vlog, because I'm not even sure if this vlog is going to make it out there or not, it's just a random clips. You know, I got a new PC, I wanted to edit some programs, so I thought, you know, since you guys stay to the end, let me show you guys the new part I got for the Toyota Crown. Alright, so here it is guys, we've got a boot wing or boot spoiler, whatever you guys want to call it. So I don't know what brand this is. It's not the OEM one. I kind of wish it was OEM one because it's kind of thicker, but this is how it sits right here like this. Not bad. Fitment, it's alright. Probably needs a bit of work, but yeah, as you guys can see, it's unpainted, so I definitely have to paint this. I'm sure you guys reckon, man. Like I said, I kind of wish it was the OEM spoiler because it's a bit thicker, has a third brake light, but this will do for now, you know. I always wanted to work on the back. I guess this is a start. We can always get rid of it anyways, but ooh, sweet guys reckon. Oh, look at this car left his Apple charger. Oh yeah, it works.